Hi guys, it's Amanda here, and this week I want to talk about the monkey mind and how so many of us fall prey to it. Every day we slip into the monkey mind. And it really holds us back from finding resilience and belief in ourselves, more health in our bodies, and happiness in our minds. When we are in the monkey mind, we are often stressed and our body perceives threat and we go into a stress response. And when we're stressed, we are not prioritizing growth and repair in the minds and the bodies. So when you are in the present moment, that is the opposite to the monkey mind. When you are in the moment and present, it feels good. But there is something very magic about being in the moment because you can create something new from this space. You can create new ideas, new beliefs, new programs, and new habits. When you are thinking of the past or the future, overthinking, overbrooding, being overcautious and fearful, your subconscious brain takes over, which is super powerful and where our old and fearful programs are often stored. So every day to grow and evolve and to become a better version of yourself and to promote growth and repair in the mind and body, you want to allow yourself to create something new all the time. So you want to give the mind and body the best environment to be able to do that. So catch yourself when you're in the monkey mind, thinking of the past, overthinking the future, and just bring yourself back into the moment. I wear a wristband and that reminds me, because you'll forget, it reminds me to just come back into the moment and to remember that that is my goal, is to try and be present, creating new habits and new thoughts, new ideas, because when your thoughts and the ability to be able to do that will determine your behaviors, your habits, and how you show up in the world and how you live your life. So it's really, really important. Jump on this week's blog. I've got loads of tips there for you on how to train the monkey mind. See you guys next week.